The armed forces of the Philippines have released new footage showing Chinese Coast Guard sailors brandishing knives, an axe and other weapons in a recent clash with Philippine naval vessels near the strategic Ayungin Shoal in the South China Sea. The confrontation occurred as Philippine forces attempted a critical resupply mission to Marines stationed on the derelict warship BRP Sierra Madre. The incident, which took place on June 17, was described by the armed forces of the Philippines as a brazen act of aggression by the Chinese forces. The Philippines accused the Chinese Coast Guard of employing physical attacks, bladed weapons, blaring sirens, and blinding strobe lights to obstruct their humanitarian operations. The BRP Sierra Madre, a derelict warship grounded deliberately on the Second Thomas Shoal in 1999 to assert Manila's territorial claims, has been a point of contention between the two nations. This latest clash is part of a series of escalating confrontations in recent months. According to General Romeo Bronner, the Philippine military chief, the Filipino crew was outnumbered and unarmed, resorting to fighting with their bare hands. The clash resulted in a Filipino sailor losing a thumb, and the Chinese Coast Guard reportedly confiscated or destroyed Philippine equipment, including guns. Dramatic footage released by the Philippine military late Wednesday showed Chinese sailors shouting, waving knives, and using sticks to hit an inflatable boat as sirens blared. In one clip, a voice speaking Tagalog mentioned that someone had lost a finger. The footage differs from the images released by Beijing state media, which did not show Chinese forces wielding weapons. General Bronner compared the actions of the Chinese troops to pirates and demanded the return of confiscated rifles and equipment along with compensation for the damages caused. We are demanding that the Chinese return our rifles and our equipment, and we are also demanding that they pay for the damage they caused, he stated during a press conference in the Western Palawan province. In response, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Lin Jian dismissed Manila's accusations as totally bogus and blamed the Philippines for escalating tensions. Lin accused the Philippines of attempting to smuggle military equipment and claimed that the Philippine boats had rammed Chinese vessels. Beijing insisted that its Coast Guard behaved in a professional and restrained manner, denying any direct measures against Filipino personnel. The clash underscores the ongoing maritime disputes in the South China Sea, where territorial claims and military posturing have frequently led to confrontations between China and neighboring countries. The Philippines' release of this footage aims to highlight the aggressive actions of the Chinese Coast Guard and garner international support for their position.